What do we have on the bench today? Well, picture this. You are outside driving with your favorite crawler on some remote place, and of course there is no wall socket available. What do? Well, if it is your favorite cheater rig, it will run these small batteries. 450s, maybe 650s, and if you camp on a desolated place and there is no electricity, yeah, you have a problem. There's two options, maybe more, but two I want to discuss. One, you buy 10 or 15 of these packs, and the second option is you buy a charger which you can use on a remote place. And this is supposed to be one of those chargers. It was recommended to me by another Belgian crawler, and yeah, we unboxed it, and let's just see how this thing works. The manual is somewhere, and I can't find it anymore. It is not a bad thing that I can't find the manual, because I just want to see how intuitive this thing is. So what do we need? Of course, besides this little thing, we need a big battery pack. In this case, it is a 3S 5000 pack, and yeah, you can take this with you in your backpack, and this also, that's not much. And I need to calculate, if this is a 450 and it's 3S, can I then charge 10 of these? I don't know, there's bigger packs, so this is just an example. No, this one runs on XT30s, but the charger has an XT60 output. But first, plug this thing in. Okay, we have some pictures, we have a screen on. It is in English. It's a good thing, because going through the reviews, someone had this starting up in Chinese. What do we do? That's our readouts. Okay, so this is 11.8. There is temperature 16 degrees. Okay, there's actually no more. Okay, I can press this button down, and then we go to, yeah, these are the normal settings on a charger. So that is nothing special. Exit button. Okay, so let's plug this one in and see what happens. There's also a balance port, so that's a good thing, because I like to work with a balance port. Okay, balance port. Is there anything else on here? There's a USB output, 5 volt. Okay, so you can charge maybe your phone or something with this device. Let's plug it in. Let's see where we land. Okay, it is. We have a readout. So this one has 3.8 volt. Is there anything else to see? No, that's the main battery, and that's this one. So let's just see. Start task. We are going to charge on 0.9. Now this is a 450, so I might want to change that. Press OK. It's a scroll button. It's not too bad. 0.5. That's okay. Current charging 0.5. Start task. It is charging. So that's a good thing. Can I 5 watts, 0.5 ampere, and these are the cells. So it's working, and I want to see. Here's the progress. We are on 56%. There's a timer running. We are on 3S, and he's going for 4.2 volts per cell. Okay, so we are not going to keep this one running, but maybe we come back when the thing ends. I don't know how long this is going to take. Maybe 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Doesn't really matter. So far, this thing works really nice. It was indeed intuitive, so that's a good thing. And it is able to charge these packs probably in my backpack while I'm running the next one. So I will time how long this takes. It is called a HOTA T8, 650 watt, 22 amps, and it is usable for or with XT60 plugs. And of course, if you have one of these, then you can also load other things. you can use it 1 to 8S. That is really good. 60% already. We bought it on AliExpress, but you can find it on other places, probably also on Amazon. I might do a link in the description for if anyone wants one. Yeah, I have no more to say than yeah, it works and it is intuitive. Well, we are back inside and I see it is at 100%, but it is still charging. I see the amps going down. Oh, I see something green. Charge done. So we managed to catch that, and the time was like, can I see it? 30 minutes for a 450, and it was on a 0.5 amp charge. So 30 minutes, yeah. If you of course up the amps, it goes a little bit faster, and you're probably ready before yeah, your current battery is dead. But I think if you have 2 or 3 of these batteries, you can manage. Now that alarm that it is full is really weak. Yeah, that is not really hard. But I think it did the job really great. I'm gonna do another test and just check how much the yeah, the big battery loses in this small amount of time. But for now, it has my Team ReVolt approved on it. So that's all I have for you. See you on the next one. Bye.